Sweet lies and savory truths, debunking diabetes diet myths. Diabetes is often surrounded by misinformation about diet and nutrition. Many common beliefs about diabetes and food are based on myths, not facts. Let's separate truth from fiction, helping you make informed dietary choices. Myth 1. Sugar is the ultimate villain. Sugar is not completely off limits for people with diabetes. The key is portion control and pairing sugar with fiber and protein to slow absorption. Understanding glycemic index GI and glycemic load GL helps manage blood sugar. The real issue is how the body processes glucose, not just sugar itself. Myth 2. Diabetic foods are essential. Fact. Many diabetic foods are unnecessary and overpriced. A balanced diet of whole foods, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins is more beneficial. Choosing natural, unprocessed foods supports better blood sugar control. Myth 3. Carbohydrates are not allowed. Carbohydrates are not the enemy. The type of carbs matters. Complex carbs, whole grains, legumes, non-starchy vegetables. Slowly release glucose, preventing spikes. Simple carbs, white bread, sugary drinks. Can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar. Myth 4. Fruits are off limits. Fruit is not off limits, but should be eaten in moderation. Fiber in fruit slows glucose absorption, making it safe when consumed in appropriate portions. Choose low GI fruits like berries, apples, and pears. Myth 5. Eat more and more protein. Protein is important, but excessive intake can strain the kidneys, especially in people with diabetes. Balance is essential. Protein should complement a well-rounded diet. Myth 6. Only old people get diabetes. Diabetes is not just an old person's disease. Type 2 diabetes is increasing among younger people due to lifestyle factors. Type 1 diabetes can develop at any age. Myth 7. Sugar directly causes diabetes. Sugar does not directly cause diabetes. However, excess sugar consumption leads to weight gain, which increases the risk of insulin resistance. Sugary drinks and high-calorie diets contribute to obesity, a major risk factor for type 2 diabetes. The truth about diabetes and diet. Diabetes does not mean deprivation. It is about making informed, balanced choices. A diet rich in whole foods, fiber, and lean proteins supports better blood sugar control. Ditch the myths, embrace the facts, and take charge of your health. Eat smart, stay informed, live healthy. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Chef Chili.